Assalamu alaikum.
If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Like the video and share it with your friends. Moreover, comment below for your suggestions. Now let's come to today's video. Heart of Darkness is a novella written by Joseph Conrad, first published in 1899. It tells the story of Charles Marlowe, a British sailor who is hired by a Belgian trading company to captain a steamboat up the Congo River in Africa. The novella explores themes of colonialism, imperialism, and the darkness within human nature. Summary: Marlowe's journey takes him into the heart of the African continent, where he encounters the brutal and dehumanizing effects of European colonialism. He witnesses the exploitation of the local African population and the utter moral decay of the European colonizers, particularly Kurtz, a station manager who has gone mad and is revered as a god by the natives. Marlowe is repulsed by the savagery he witnesses and the darkness that seems to consume those who venture into this harsh environment. Analysis: 1. Colonialism and Imperialism. Heart of Darkness critiques the European colonization of Africa. It portrays the cruelty, greed, and inhumanity of the European colonizers and the devastating impact of imperialism on native populations. 2. Psychological darkness. The story delves into the darkness within the human psyche. Marlowe's journey is not only a physical one but also a descent into the darkness of the human soul. This is symbolized by Kurtz, who represents the extreme moral degradation that can result from unchecked power and isolation. 3. Ambiguity and moral ambiguity. The novella is known for its ambiguity and moral complexity. It raises questions about the nature of good and evil, the morality of imperialism, and the ambiguity of truth and deception. 4. Narration. The story is narrated by Marlowe, who provides a subjective perspective, making the events open to interpretation. His narration is fragmented and nonlinear, adding to the sense of confusion and moral ambiguity. Heart of Darkness has been the subject of much critical analysis and interpretation, and it continues to be studied for its exploration of complex themes and its powerful storytelling. It is considered a classic of English literature and is often discussed in the context of post-colonial and cultural studies. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and appreciate us. For new videos, press bell and get notifications. Like, share and comment below for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.